and today we are making the Quintessential chocolate chip cookie. These are really delicious and they're pretty easy. I have a video coming out about brown butter chocolate chip cookies, which are probably my favorite chocolate chip cookie most of the time. Now there are so many great recipes that I just really love this one also, and I like to change it up occasionally. First you're going to take a small bowl and you're going to add in 1.5 cups of flour. You're also going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. And you can just stir that around. I'm just going to use my little measuring spoon because it's nearby. And then you can set that off to the side. Next you're going to take an electric mixer and you're going to beat 1 stick of softened butter on medium speed for about 2 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Next you're going to add half a cup of sugar and also half a cup of brown sugar. You're also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to beat that on medium speed for about another minute. Then you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. You're going to beat that on medium speed for about 30 seconds until it's all combined. Then while your mixer is on low speed, you're going to add in your dry ingredients. Then you're going to just take a cutting board and a knife and 8 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, and you're just going to cut these into little chunks. You don't want slivers, you just want chunks since these are going to be your chocolate chips. You can use just chocolate chips out of a bag though for better results. It's always best to just use the cut up chunks that you cut yourself. I'm always so bad at like ripping this off. To add it to your mixer and beat it in on low speed. And you're going to take some plastic wrap and just lie it out on the counter. Then you're going to take your bowl out of your mixer. You're going to clean off your paddle attachment with your spatula. And then you're going to dump your dough out onto your plastic wrap. Going to roll your dough almost into a log, just like press it into one with your hands. It can be as thin as or as thick as you want it to be, but however thick it is going to be is going to represent the size of your cookies. So I'm going to do it about this size. Now I'm going to take my plastic wrap and just bring it up around the sides. And now I'm just going to roll it out. Not roll it out, but just like roll it into a cylinder. You can try shaping it with your hands a bit. And now you're going to put this in the fridge. For the best results, you should put it in the fridge for as long as you possibly can. But I'm going to just put it in for maybe an hour or 2, and I'll be back to bake them later. See you. So you didn't have to let your dough cool. You could have just baked it, but for the best results, you should have just cooled it. So I've just let this cool for about 2 hours, and I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. You should take out as many baking sheets and as many sheets of parchment paper you need, but I'm just going to make a few since I still have leftovers from the last time I made a video. But I'm just going to take this out of the plastic wrap, and I'm going to grab a cutting board and a knife. So I'm not going to cut all of this up, I'm only going to make a few cookies, but I'm just going to put it on our cutting board, and I'm going to just cut a bunch of cookies. You want to hold the dough from both ends and just press straight down, and they should be about this thick, and you should just space them a little bit apart from each other. It doesn't have to be super far apart though, because these aren't really going to get much bigger. So I'm going to make 4 cookies. I have 4 of people in my family, and we have leftovers from the last time I made a video. So I'm just going to put the rest of my dough back in the fridge. And what's great about this recipe is that you can just put your dough in the fridge for as long as you need to and always just easily cook cookies when you need to. You're going to cook these for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be back when they come out. So depending on how much you like your cookies cooked, I like them a little softer. I've just cooked these for 9.5 minutes actually, not even 10. But you can let them cool for a couple minutes before eating them. So I have let these cool for a couple minutes, and I'm now going to eat one. Nice looking crack. Take a bite. This is a really delicious and relatively easy chocolate chip cookie recipe. And I like making them because they're one of my favorite recipes for chocolate chip cookies. My hands are a disaster, and one thing I do know is that I should have made more than 4 of these.